All right, so we're going to balance some chemical equations. Let's do this this worksheet here. We have to take inventory. We have chromium and oxygen over here, and we have chromium and oxygen over here. So if we take our inventory, we have 1 over here and 2 oxygens. We have 2 chromiums and 3 oxygens. So if I look right away, I can see that there's really no way to get the oxygens to balance, except if I multiply them out. So if I put a 2 over here, this gives me 6 oxygens and 4 chromiums. And if I put a 3 over here, now I have 6 oxygens. Now my oxygens balance. And it's pretty easy then to just put a 4 here and make this balance. Okay, so we have 4, 3, 2. Now remember, you can't just change these guys. You have to change one of these things, these coefficients, in order to re-inventory your chemical equations. So let's go down here. We have aluminum, chlorine, H, and O. So we'll do Al, Cl, H, and O. Over here I have 1, 3, 2, and 1. And 1, 1, 3, and now, oops, not 3. I have 4 because I really have 3 in there and 1 over there. So I can't forget about that guy. That's 4 hydrogens, and I have 3 oxygens. All right, so this is kind of a mess. Let's see if I can move this up a little bit so that we can see it a little better. Okay, so my aluminums are balanced already. I need my chlorines balanced. So we can do that first, or we can try to balance the hydrogens or the oxygens. But let's go right for the chlorines. We have 3 over here. We need 3 over here. The only way to get 3 chlorines is to put a 3 there. That changes my H's and my Cl's. So now I have 3 Cl's. And now I have 3 over here plus the 3 here. That's 6 hydrogens. Okay? So over here, if I want 6 hydrogens, I've got to put a 3 here. And this changes my hydrogens and my oxygens. Now I have 6 hydrogens and I have 3 oxygens. And guess what? I'm balanced. 1, 3, 6, 3, 1, 3, 6, 3. So that's it. That wasn't very hard. All right, so let's pull this up a little bit. All right, so we have BF3. So we have B, F, H, and O. We'll do over here B, F, H, and O. Okay, so I have 1 boron, 3 fluorines, 2 hydrogens, and an oxygen. I have 1 boron, 1 fluorine, 4 hydrogens, and 3 oxygens. Okay, so let's look. Our fluorines aren't balanced. There's only one way to get those balanced. The boron's already balanced, so we'll put a 3 here. This changes our H's and our F's. This makes this 3 fluorines, and 3 plus 3 is 6 hydrogens. And now in order to get the 6, oops, I put 0, but I meant 1 here. We can't have 0 oxygens. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so now we have BF3 and H2O. In order to get 6 hydrogens, I would need to put a 3 here. That gives me 6 hydrogens and 3 oxygens. And now 1, 3, 6, 3, 1, 3, 6, 3. We're all balanced. Okay? So let's do our last one. We have aluminum, copper, and chlorine. Only 3 atoms in this one. Okay, so we have Al, we have Cu, and Cl. Al, Cu, Cl. We have 1 aluminum, 1 copper, 2 chlorines. 1, 1, and 3. All right, away, I can see that our chlorines aren't balanced. We have 2 on one side and 3 on the other. The only way to get them to equal out is to put a 2 here and a 3 over here. Okay, so this changes these 2 guys. This changes my chlorines to 6 and my coppers to 3. And over here, this changes my aluminums and my chlorines. My chlorines are now 6 and my aluminums are now 2. Okay, so in order to get the coppers to balance now, we have copper 1 and 3. We're going to put 3 here. This changes to 3. Now those are balanced. And our aluminums, we can just put a 2 over here, and this changes to 2. And now we are balanced, 2, 3, 6. So we have 2, 3, 2, 3. All right, so that one wasn't too bad either. Hope this helped.